Stop posting consultation videos with memes and edits that look like this. Instead, here are 3 edits and tips you can add to your consultation videos to reach more people and convert on more new clients this week. Number 1, facial tracking. This will add a more dynamic look to your videos and create a higher engagement when done correctly. One of our private clients, Ty Nguyen, does this phenomenally well. We got over 300 new clients in just 1 month doing hair consultation on guys who travel miles away just to get a haircut done by him. 2, add sounds and effects. Now this is so simple, but here's a big rule in this. Less is more, and well-placed sounds and effects like a shock or a sad piano can literally make or break your video. Comment effect down below and I'll send you a personal swipe file with the best sounds and effects to use on your consultation videos. Now, this one might sound kind of corny, but number 3, have fun making content. No one on social media wants to watch a monotone, lifeless video at all. Make your content fun and playful. I promise you, you will get better results. Barbers like Camdo, who adds a lot of comedy in all of his videos. Guys like Yeston, where all of his barber videos are just edited to have like all this hype energy, are just straight up infectious to watch.